Hey everyone, how you doing? David Sott here from Skyjems. Just got my parcel back from GIA, and here we go. This is what 90 certs back from GIA looks like. I'm not even going to show you how much that invoice is from them. It's way more than I'd like to pay, but you know, it is what it is. Take a look at this. All of these. Unheated sapphire, unheated, oh, this is a killer one. This is unheated Burmese. And what is it? Color change, violetish blue changing to purple. Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this one. Just back from the lab. Gorgeous. Anyway, there's way more, obviously. There's another 90, 89 stones coming. Most of them unheated, most of them sapphire, so there's going to be lots of new goodies on the site soon, so be sure to keep your eyes peeled. Thanks, bye.